Hello everyone, my name is Lightning Gamroid, and today I have a bunch of unopened Roblox boxes. But we are not going to open them all today. I'm going to show you all of the unopened boxes that I got, and I'm going to tell you which ones I'm going to open. So to start, we have 2 of the 6 core packs from Action Series 10. Right here we got Star Sorority, Zara the Cyborg, and Kingdom Simulator Berserker. I found both of them at GameStop. So you can find these at GameStop. They don't have the other ones yet, but hopefully they will. And I was told that there was supposed to be more of these coming later. From Amazon, I bought Wade the Spiritual Rock Star, Nyla the Fortune Teller. Why does she look a bit like Princess Jasmine from Aladdin? Got a magic carpet and everything. We have Sea Serpent and Ninja Moth Guy. On the back, we have 2 more right here. There's Gengo Fries and Guillermo and Blast Mech. I don't have those yet. They've been out of stock. They should be back in stock hopefully soon so I can showcase all 6 of them. Also right here, I tampered with the box because I just wanted to sneak out the checklist because who knows, I want to actually get all of them. I want to wait to get all 6 of them before making the video. So this is the checklist. This is Imagination Series 4 and 5 actually. But this is Imagination Series 4 we're talking about. Let's see who we have here. This is the front side. The ones that we are getting in Imagination Series 5. We got Bao, Soka, Tribes Pride. We have Cyborg Shogun. We have Crystal North right here, and Murphin the Great. See them close up. 2 in the middle are the ones I don't have yet. I feel like whenever I tilt my head to the side, you probably can't even hear me. So I should probably have my face like in the middle. Backside, it's this one right here, Stella the Solar Scientist. But I am not going to open these in this video. Which ones am I going to open? Well, the title says it all. We're opening these. We have Site 76, Prison Anomalies, and Skate Park The Rail. I have actually played a little bit of both these games. Site 76, it's a pretty interesting one. In this game, you do basically avoid anomalies, and if you get caught by an anomaly, you get sent to this strange dimensional area and you die. This one, as far as I know, is just a free roam skateboarding kind of game. This also reminds me of this video game. It's a skateboarding video game way back when, in like the early 2000s, for the GameCube. I believe it was called Evolution Skateboarding. It was really fun. I was pretty good at that game. You basically go around skateboarding in all these cities around the world. You can complete missions. You can do a lot of tricks. It's pretty great. Anyway, yeah, I think I still had that game somewhere, but I enjoyed it. So which one are we going to open first? Let's take a look at this one, Site 76. We have had a few Site 76 figures. We had one back in Action Series 9. Now they're starting to really represent this in Action Series 10. We might see this in Action Series 11. Look at the back. Pause to read. Okay. Facility Manager, Soldier. So this is the facility manager, this is the soldier. I guess these are roles that you can play as. I mean, the more you progress in the game, the more roles you unlock. That's as far as I've heard. Let's see. Okay, we got this. You can put stuff in it. Like the sledgehammer. And this machine gun. Assuming I can get this out. Can I get it out? I don't know. There we go. Can they fit in here? This one can barely fit. Alright. Weapons are stored away. The virtual item code you get this time is Piggy Bank. Oh no, it's a green pig. Where did you hide the eggs? Where did you hide the eggs? These birds are going to come after you now. So, better watch out. Oh, you're a piggy bank. Maybe the eggs are inside of you. Alright. Oh, and we have a checklist. Ooh, did I just rip this a bit? Oh well, I don't care. Yeah, they're all the same. Yeah, this is what we're looking at here. So among all the core packs, let's see, which ones do I not have? Dominus Legends, Ultimate Dominus Legends. Dungeon Quest, Industrial Guardian Armor. Grand Crossing, Royal Guard. Tower Defense Simulator, Badlands Heist. Here they are. Yeah, we got the GameStop sticker. Nothing too personal here. Maybe that barcode, but I don't know how useful that barcode would be. But just to cover it, I guess. Then we have the Celebrity Series 8 core packs. Mermaid Life Urania, Power Simulator Hive Mind. Might be a while till we get all the Celebrity Series sets. But nowadays they take forever to arrive. Now for the most important part, reviewing the figures. Okay, I guess... No, it doesn't. It's molded like that. Alright, your hat is on crooked. There we go. Here's the facility manager, and here's the soldier. Right here. Oof. Here's close up. This guy. Yeah, this doesn't go down. This is molded. Also, I'm not sure if this is actually my first time, but this is my first time filming on Windows 11. Yeah, my computer was finally granted access to Windows 11. And so far, I'm enjoying it. Whatever happened to them saying that Windows 10 was going to be their last operating system? I mean, what would happen in 2025 when they were supposed to cease its support? But yeah, Windows 11 is out, so whenever you get a chance to, download it if you want, as long as you have a PC that can actually support Windows 11. Windows 10 will cease its support in 2025. As far as Windows 8, that's still going to be supported till 2023. Anyway, skate park the rail. Pause to read. Yeah, you can do tricks in this. You can find credits, like a bunch of different colored dollar signs you can find on the maps. You have the skate shop skater. Trying to find him. Star Marine 614 is the developer of this game. Alright. Skater Bandit. Checklist. Backwards cap. Bunny ears. Here he is. Here's the developer. He has a Dominus. In case you don't know, this is a Dominus. This is the hood thing. That's the name of this helmet or hood, whatever you want to call it. Got a little hood. We got these metal things at the front and these wings in the back. It can sometimes come with horns. You can decorate however you want, but this is what a Dominus is. What do you look like under the Dominus? Can I see under here? I think it's just all going to be a pitch black head. Star Marine 614 with the Dominus. We got more. We have a scooter and a skateboard. There's nothing on the bottom this time. Where does this go? Down here? I don't know. Here's the rail, which is now missing a leg. Here's what the rail is supposed to look like. I'll put this down wherever. And that's it. Yep, just the game packs we're reviewing today. Hopefully I can find the rest of the Series 10 core packs, and hopefully I can find the rest of the Imagination Series 4 figures. And yeah, all I need now is both core packs and game packs to Celebrity Series 8, the rest of the core packs to Actual Series 10, and the rest of the figures to the Imagination Series, and there's going to be the Roblox Advent Calendar, which I did just order, even though it's out of stock. Anyway, that is going to be the end. Also, one more thing. There's going to be a little update on the total number of figures. According to my database on my Google Docs page, there were 902. That's because I thought there were only going to be 4 Imagination Series figures. And now there's going to be 6 in the series. And I am adding the 6 figures to the Advent Calendar as part of Celebrity Series 8, and they will be listed after the Imagination figures. So, the total number of figures is now 910. or 915 if you want to count the 5 figures that are coming in the next series, but we're not counting those just yet. But Action Series 11 and Celebrity Series 9 are confirmed. We are definitely getting that. Actually, after both those series get released, we'll have a grand total of 20 series. 20 series, that's a lot. But 910. Maybe the next Action and Celebrity Series will have at least 90, so we can exceed 1,000 figures. Wouldn't that be crazy? Anyway, thank you all for watching. That'll be the end of this video. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel. If you don't like this video, then subscribe to this channel. Like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.